Hi everyone. So in this program, I'll be showing you how logical operators work in Python. So first, I declare two variables, a equals to 5 and b equals to 10. Then we're going to use the end statement first. So print a is greater than 2, baga 5 is greater than 2, and statement b is greater or equal to 10. Is true yung outcome because b has the value of 10, which is 10 equals to 10. Then ang outcome niyan is true. Then print, we're going to use the or statement if one condition is true. So a is less than or equal to 10, or b is greater than 20, which is true siya. Yung result niya is true mamaya. Then print a greater than 50, not statement b greater than 12, which is kumbaga i-reverse niya yung result. True dapat yung result niya, and yung A true yung result and B false. As you can see, there's an error which says that I forgot to put a comma. So saan yun? Maybe here. Hindi pa rin. Baka sa kabila. Rerun the program. Then, okay, working na siya. So that's the result. So I'm going to explain the difference between the three operators. So logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. End statement returns true only if both conditions are true. If one or both are false, it returns false. You can see in the example, 5 is greater than 2, which is true, and 10 is greater than 3, which is true again. The result is true. Now is the OR statement. Returns true if at least one condition is true. It only returns false if both conditions are false. You can see here in example, 5 is greater than 2, which is true, and or 10 is less than 3, which is false. So the result is still true because one condition is true. Lastly, the not statement reverses the result of a condition. If the condition is true, it becomes false. If it's false, it becomes true. So kumbaga nire-reverse niya yung result. As you can see here in my example, 5 is greater than 2, which is true naman siya. Pero ang result or output is false kasi ni-reverse ni not yung condition. So that's how logical operators work. And that's all for this video. Thank you.